Healthy Kiddo Roller Ball. First we're going to need organic coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil for a carrier oil. And then we're going to need a roller ball, which I get the amber glass. That way it protects the oils from breaking down. I prefer the ones with the metal roller ball in it. Some have plastic, and I found that they don't roll as easily. First we're going to have cinnamon bark oil, clove oil, some orange oil, and thyme. And we're going to do 5 drops of each, so let's get started. First, it's going to be the cinnamon bark. And we use the cinnamon bark because it's anti-inflammatory, it's antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anticoagulant. It's a good respiratory stimulant also, and helps with ulcers, and antiparasitic. So it's just a really good oil. Okay, and next we're going to use clove oil. Now we use clove oil because it is also antiviral, analgesic, anesthetic, antioxidant. It's just really great for your health. Next is the orange oil, and the orange oil, citrus oils are great for boosting your immunity and uplifting your mood. So we're going to do 5 drops of that. And the next one we're going to use is the thyme oil. Now thyme oil is also an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory. It's highly antimicrobial, antifungal, antiviral. And so again, one of those all around really great oils. Alright, so we're going to do 5 drops of that as well. And then, this is the simplest thing, you just top it off with a carrier oil. So, you can see in there's not very much in there, but that's okay. You don't need much. And keep in mind, if you're doing this for a baby, if you have an infant in the house, just use 1 drop of each. So it's extremely diluted. It will still work for everybody else in the house, but it'll be diluted enough to be safe for baby. Now, we use this, we roll it on the feet. When my little one was itty bitty, I would roll it on the feet at every diaper change. It just sat there on the diaper changing table. And rolled it on his feet, put his socks on him, or whatever it was. I mean, it was little. I didn't have to worry about that so much, but now he's walking, so every once in a while, we try to do it once a day now, but he's much bigger now and much more active, so. But just help to support that immune system and everything like that. So there we go. We got the top on. You just push it on, and then I twist the cap on really strong so that it tightens it down. Make sure it's good and not going to leak. Shake it up. It's ready to go. Then I wipe it off with a paper towel because it is a little greasy. And I have a little label that I made. And I found these labels on Amazon. And then I found a pen at Walmart that's one of those paint pens. So it's a very fine tip paint pen. I think I'll go vertical with this one. And there we go. So we got a Healthy Kiddo Roller Ball.